We are going to start series of videos on evidence law, and today's video is on topic 1, which is introduction to evidence law and the Uniform Evidence Act 2008. Let's get started. Evidence law is essentially the rule book for what information can and cannot be presented in a courtroom. It applies to both criminal and civil proceedings. Its purpose is not only to discover the truth, but also to make sure that the trial process is fair, transparent, and respects the rights of all parties involved. The law of evidence is underpinned by 3 core values. Fairness ensures that no party is disadvantaged and that rights such as the presumption of innocence are respected. Truth reflects the law's role in helping courts reach decisions based on reliable information. Efficiency ensures that trials do not become bogged down by irrelevant or misleading evidence. Victoria, Australia adopted the Evidence Act 2008 to bring its rules into line with other states and territories. This act is part of the Uniform Evidence Law framework shared with the Commonwealth, New South Wales, Tasmania, and the ACT. It ensures greater consistency so lawyers and courts apply the same principles no matter the jurisdiction. Before the Evidence Act, most rules were developed by judges through common law. The Act codifies many of these principles, giving them a statutory basis. However, where the Act is silent, courts can still look to common law for guidance. This ensures continuity and flexibility in the development of evidence law. The 3 most important principles are relevance, admissibility, and exclusion. Evidence must be relevant, which means it can logically affect the outcome of the case. Even if relevant, it must also be admissible under the Act. Finally, courts have the discretion to exclude evidence that is unfairly prejudicial or misleading or improperly obtained. Uniformity matters because it promotes fairness and reduces confusion. A lawyer trained in Victoria can apply the same evidence principles in New South Wales or Commonwealth courts. This improves efficiency and ensures consistency in outcomes, regardless of where the case is heard. To summarize, evidence law ensures that trials are fair, accurate, and efficient. Victoria's adoption of the Evidence Act 2008 makes its rules consistent with several other jurisdictions, ensuring uniformity across Australia. Now, when we have finished with the evidence law, whoever is watching this video should now be able to explain why evidence law exists, should be describe the values it represents, and outline the basic framework of the Uniform Evidence Act. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next lesson.